Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PAWS account to wallet in Telegram and your Phantom wallet. So for those of you that want to know how to connect PAWS account to Phantom wallet and Keeper, I made a video about it, which I'm going to drop the link in my Telegram group and at the description of this video. Please make sure to watch the video. For those of you using Keeper wallet. Alright guys, so for you to get started on how to connect your PAWS account to Telegram wallet or wallet in Telegram and Phantom wallet, this is what you need to do. Please make sure to do this as quick as possible. This is like a KYC campaign. So what you all need to do is to click on N. Alright, click on N, click on in-game, click on verify via PAWS web. So click start. So click on your default browser, like I'll be using Chrome. Alright, so now what you need to do is to click here, then click connect Stone wallet. Now what you need to do is to click open wallet in Telegram. So wait for it to process. What you just need to do now is to click connect. Now click back to PAWS. Yeah, then click home. Then you can minimize if you want, or you can click visit our website. Click on your default browser, like I'll be using Chrome. It's going to bring you here back. Now you click here. Okay, so let's open wallet in Telegram again. Alright, let's see. Connect. Back to PAWS. Minimize back. Yeah, you can see we have connected it. Now you click connect to Soul wallet. I'm going to select Phantom. So make sure you have a Phantom wallet. So now you click on connect Phantom wallet. And it's going to take you to your Phantom wallet for you to approve the connection. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you here. So you don't need to minimize. Now you click on connect Phantom wallet. Then it's going to show you something like this. You don't need to click on connect. So verify yourself. So now you click on sign message. And you click on confirm. Verify yourself. So you can see verify yourself. This is like a KYC campaign to me. So for those of you farming multiple accounts, please be careful when performing this campaign. So if you want to know how to bypass this, for those of you running multiple accounts, you can join my Telegram group, because I'm going to give my audience how to bypass this so that they will not get them. So this is how to connect your PAWS account to wallet in Telegram and your Phantom wallet. So if you click your wallet, you're going to see all your connections here. So this is how to go about this. So like I said, for those of you that want to know how to connect your Keeper wallets and your Phantom wallet to your PAWS account, I made a video about it. I'll be dropping it at the description of this video. And make sure to join my Telegram group if you want to be up to date on PAWS, because I'm more active in my Telegram group. You want to get fast updates from me. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.